Okay, I have started recording now. Okay, and then we were looking into for loop also, right? So that for loop is inside array. Okay, so I'm just writing one more class as for loop. Okay, so now yesterday we were looking into a concept where we were trying to first create a space like how many users we want to save, and then like we are declaring first only like how many arrays. See here we are declaring it should be 20. Then we can't add more than 20. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay. And then we are adding one by one. Okay. Now, for example, now already I know I'm having 6 students. Okay. Already I know who are the 6 students also. In that case, I can create an array directly with the names, right? See, when I'm starting the class, I don't know who are the 6 students. Okay. But after starting the class, whenever I want to do something, I know who are the 6 students names. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So before starting the class, I create an empty array, and then I was assigning each array each name whenever some students joins. Okay, but now I know all the students who has already joined. Okay, so for example, if I want to do if you for example like we um, think we are going for a movie. Okay, I'm going to book tickets for my movie. Okay, so here I have to give the names of the participants who are going to come. Okay, in that case I know all the names, right? Now
Yeah.
before classes I was not knowing the names, so I was just assigning the value with limit, and then whenever some student joins I was adding into the array. But now we already know, so we can write array in different format also. Okay, so now I'm trying to write the array in different format. So I'm just commenting this whatever yesterday we wrote. Okay, and then I'm writing in different format. So if you see here, these are the names. Okay, so now what I'm trying to write, so these are the names. I'm writing the same names is equal to, for example, if there is only one name, then I can store in normal like this. I can say Saujanya. I can save like this, and it is a what data type?
String.
String.
So string data type. Okay, so for string I have to always give in double quotes. Now I want Farhana, so what I will do, because this is an array, I will make this string to accept array,
Braces.
and then I will comma, and then I can add Farhana. So you are getting the point what I'm trying to do. I'm see, whenever I know all the values, okay, when I don't know the values, I was first creating an empty array and then adding the values into that. Okay, but now what is my condition? I know the
Values.
Names of
values. Exactly. See now, but it's throwing error. Simple. We have to place all these things in a flower bracket. See. So now we have written earlier. What we did earlier, we were reserving that space. We are creating an array with these many empty boxes. Okay. We are creating an array with these many empty boxes, and then we were adding. But here in this case, you can't add more than 20 because you have created an array only with 20. Okay, but if you see here, we are creating an array and also saving the value while creation only. Yes or no? So now if I run, you will get the same output. See? Yes or no? Is it clear what I have done?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
So there are two ways to create an array. Either we can first create an array like it is an empty array. Okay, we can create an empty array with a space, or we can directly create an array and give the names. We can reserve. For example, if I add one more name, then I can add one more name here. Okay. Is it clear? Yes or no?
Yeah.
If you want to
Yes.
remove, you can remove. If you want to add 100 names also, you can add. So this is one way how we will create the array. Is it clear?
Beyond
Yes.
21, if you create, it will show, it will throw to error.
Here, right?
No, down.
Now, see here you have not reserved any space. See, I have commented this. See, here I am not
Okay.
reserving space at all, because here you don't know the values. First, you are creating an array, empty array with a space. When you're creating an array, you need to tell how many spaces you want. Okay. See, when you're booking a ticket, you want to tell how many tickets you want. Yes or no?
Yeah.
I called a theater. I'm telling I want to book online tickets. They're telling how many tickets you want. They will ask or not.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Or see, for example, when you book a table in a hotel, they will ask, okay, how many persons? Means based on that persons. If you tell 3 persons, they will book a small table. If you tell 30 persons, they will book a big table or multiple tables. Yes or no? So based on our inputs only, they will book. In the same way, based on our capacity, they will create an array. Okay.
Okay.
So here I don't know. See, I don't know the names of the students who will join. Okay. So what I'm doing, I'm just reserving the empty space, and then whenever someone comes, I add. I don't know. There might be 3 students, 4 students, 10 students. I don't know. But I'm reserving maximum 20, but I can't go behind 20. Yes or no?
Yeah.
I can't go.
20.
Okay. And here what I'm doing, I'm not reserving. I'm adding directly the names because I know the names. Here I don't know the names initially, but here I know the names. Is that clear?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So here you can add n number of, even you can add 100, no problem, because it is, because when you execute this statement, then only the array will be created. But here you are executing the statement with number of names directly. You are not reserving anything before. Okay. Is it clear to everyone?
Yeah.
Yes.
This is the case when we know the values, right?
Yes, yes. This is the case only when you know the values. When you don't know the values, then you will reserve with the empty array and then you assign the values. Okay. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now we were looking into the concept called yesterday. We were looking into split. What is that?
Split.
Split. Okay. So I will go to strings. So I will just comment this. Split. What is meant by split? Can anybody tell what is meant by split?
Divide.
Huh?
Dividing.
Okay. Fine. For example, I'm having this text automation testing session for Selenium. Okay, I'm having this text. This is a string or int?
String.
For example, I'm giving text message is equal to, and this is a string. Very good. So now, if I want to print this directly, I can print system.out.println, and this is the variable which so I should give the variable in double quotes or without double quotes.
Without double quotes.
Without.
Why?
Because it is a very
Because it's already.
Very good, very good. Fine. So now I want to split this. Means I want to split this based on for. Based on
first.
I'm telling split this based on for means it will get split here. So it will become 2 offs. First off, second off. Is it clear?
Okay.
So now what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to split this message based on for. Okay. So when I split, see now it is a single line. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes.
It is a single line. So you are saving in a normal variable. But when I split, it will be single variable or it will be single or multiple when I split?
Double.
Multiple.
Multiple, right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
In that case, how many arrays we want to save this value?
2 arrays.
We want 2 arrays. Yes or no? So
Yeah.
now when I'm splitting, I need to create an array with 2 and then I can split. Okay. Yes or no? So now I'm trying to split this variable text message. How to split? For example, this is the message. Okay, I'm giving that variable dot split. What? Dot
Split.
split. And what? Based on what? For example, here I'm giving for. So you can give anything for split. Okay, you can give even space. I will show one by one. So this is I'm telling split this variable based on for. Okay. If it is having for, then only it will split. We will see by giving some other value also. After splitting, how many values you will get?
2 values.
You
2.
have to save the 2 values, right? So for example, I'm creating a variable split value is equal to. Now this is a, we'll get that in a string, right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
String, and it is an array. Because we know that it will give 2 values after splitting. So we have to make that as a array. Okay. So now 2 values will be saved in split value. If I want to print that, when it is saving 2 values, split value of 0 will be 1, split value of 1 will be 1. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
So I will take this. I will give like this. So now what we are doing? We are trying to split. Okay. See? What happened?
For is
Before for
Yes, for will be displayed. I mean, because it is
Yeah.
splitting till for, right? So it will be one
Yeah.
place and it will be other place. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. For example, you understood this, whatever we are trying. So why, how to split? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So whenever you can split on any word, okay?
That word will be display, right?
Yeah. For
Okay.
example, you can, if for example, I'm this, okay? I'm trying to split this. Is the word available?
No.
No.
It is giving error. Okay, it is unable to split, okay? Because whenever it is not splitting, this array has only one value. So it is telling index out of bound exception because we don't have this value, okay?
no, but the statement has come twice in the output. First statement in the text message
True. It has come two. One is for this, the second one is for this.
is okay.
Because we are unable to split, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Is that clear?
Okay.
So now I am using for. When I use for, it will split till here. Okay. And it is splitting from here. Yes or no?
Yes.
So now if you see, there is a space in front of for. There is a space in front of selenium when it is splitting.
Yeah.
Even now when I
Yes.
run these, you can see now when I select here, is there space between Anis after Anis?
No.
Yeah. Now if I select here, there is space after section.
Yeah.
See, there is a space after session. And if I select like this, is this a space in front of selenium?
Yes.
See,
Yes.
because that space is this space, because we are splitting till far right. So space is coming here and space is coming here also. So no. So now I don't want that spaces. Then what I can do trim. What I can do?
Trim.
Trim is nothing but to cut. Trim means cut, right? So we'll try to do, if you want to cut something, we can tell trim. What is that?
Trim.
If you want to do some haircut to our kids, we'll tell her we'll trim the hair. Yes or no?
Yes.
So trimming means
Cutting.
trimming means cutting. Okay. So here what we are trying to cut, we are trying to cut the extra space. Okay. If I give dot trim, so when I give dot trim, I'm just giving dot trim only to this statement. Okay. Then now when I run, you can see only for index 0 is trim. See, if I select this, is there space after a session?
No.
Before there
No.
was space, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
So now see, there is a space still here before selenium because I have not used any trim here. If I want, I can use the trim here also. When I use trim here, you will not get space before session. Okay. See, yes or no?
Yes.
So now what we are doing, we are trying to trim this. Okay. Now
Yes.
we are trying to split and then trim. So in real time, even I will write one more message. For example, you are creating some registration. What you are doing?
Registration.
For example, I will write a message like your like payment registration is successful. Order number. Something like this it came. Okay. Now what you have to do? You have to capture this number. What you have to do?
Capture the-
Okay. You need this number to be in a variable where you can use for some other action. Okay. Clear. So now what you can do? You have to split this. Yes or no? You have to split. You agree or not?
Yes.
Okay. So now when I want to split, what letter I can use? If I want only this, how to split
Int.
this? Huh?
Yes.
What?
Space. No, not space. Number.
No.
Any try? Any others? How to split? Divya,
Number
Rajni.
should display in other one, sir. Other line.
See, I want to print only this number. Then I want to print only this number. Okay.
Okay.
Then how will you write split? Tell me. Farhana, how will you split? I want to print only this number.
Can I try, sir?
Yeah, yes, Rajni.
Int, because it's an integer value, right? I will try, sir. I'm not sure about that.
Okay, int.
Int, array initialization, square brackets,
Okay.
split value equal to
Uh-huh.
text message,
Uh-huh. Okay. Uh-huh.
dot split. Oh,
Uh-huh.
of split of numbers, sir.
Okay. So now you are trying to split as a number. Okay.
Yeah,
But see, it is throwing error.
but it's throwing error.
What error it is telling? See.
The specifying int, but it takes we will
Test
take in,
message is
string.
string. That
The
is a
text
student
message.
string,
See,
right, sir?
this
But
is the whole thing as string, yes or no? So now
Yes.
even this number also is acting as a string. It is not an int anymore.
Oh,
Yes or no?
okay.
Because
Yes,
you
sir.
declare it as a string. Yes or no?
String.
So
Yes.
now what Rajini is telling, she is telling, see Anis, you try to split here for based on for. Okay, so that my statement got splitted into two because you are cutting this statement where there is for. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So this is the statement. Okay, I am telling cut the statement where there is for. So what I'm doing, I'm cutting this statement here. So this is becoming one part. This is becoming second part. Yes or no? Now what Rajni is telling, I have this statement. I'm telling I want this one alone. Then what Rajni is telling? Cut the statement at number. Yes or no? Is that possible or not?
Yes,
When I cut a statement at number, then what happens?
there will be two.
Okay. Now who will tell how to print this number?
I will,
SYSO
Mm-hmm.
yes,
Mm-hmm. Tell.
with value
Okay.
or 0.
I want to
And,
print only that number. Okay. Then some other also were telling. Is that correct? What Farhana has told?
it should be one.
One, yes.
Farhana, why one?
yeah. The second, the first,
That-
if 0, it will be like
Dot
payment registration is
trim.
successful.
Yeah.
If after number, it is a number.
Correct, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Fine. Okay, fine. Very good. So now we are using number. So we all know how to cut the line based on some text. Now assume I want everything, okay, but to be saved in 1111 array. See, I want to see how many words are there. Okay, clear? For example, I am having something. My name is there. Okay. In this, I want to save this as my first name, this as my middle name, this as my last name. Okay. Then how will you save? I want output like this. I want my output like this. First name is equal to Anis. Last name is equal to so how will you write like this? How can somebody tell? For example, I'm having this statement. I will give some 15 seconds. You think and tell me.
We'll split with the help of space.
Sorry,
We'll split with by using space.
why space?
So there is space between each and every word.
Okay. So is it possible to split based on space?
That
Is
is
that
my
possible?
expected. That is my
Yeah,
expected.
you are
We'll
expecting.
see.
You were
Yes.
expecting. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So others, is it possible to split based on space?
Maybe.
Yes, sir.
See, when it is possible to split based on words, why it is not possible to split based on space?
Yes.
Okay. So we will try. Okay. So who will try? Who will try? Who will tell me now? Huh? Who will tell?
Shall I
Second
tell?
dot
Yeah. See.
Yeah.
No problem. Anyone can tell. Huh? I don't have
Yes.
any preference. Okay.
So we should declare a string array.
Okay. So I'm telling you. Tell me. I will write. Okay.
Yeah.
Whatever you tell, I will write.
Yeah. Yes. String array square brackets.
If Saujana is telling wrong, you correct. Okay. Someone can correct. Okay.
Names.
Names.
Okay. Yeah, I will take the variable as names.
Okay.
Equals to
Mhm.
name in capital NAME dot split space
How to give space?
double quote space
Is it correct?
in semicolon.
Okay.
Okay. Now we'll print the output.
How?
SYSO, so system.println,
Mhm.
out.println. Okay, in double quotes, first name,
Mhm.
first name,
Mhm.
space equals to,
Mhm.
after double quotes,
Mhm.
plus,
Mhm.
plus names, capital names,
Mhm.
dot, in square brackets,
Mhm.
1
Okay.
dot
Uh-huh.
trim.
Okay. Now, Shravanti, is this correct?
Yeah.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Farhana, is this correct?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Yeah. Someone can tell for how to write for the last name.
Same. System.out.println.
Mhm.
For the last name in double quotes.
Okay.
Yes.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Then again plus
Uh-huh.
in double quotes equals to.
Uh-huh.
No,
Okay.
sir. Double quotes equals to. Okay.
I have given this equals.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Then plus names
Mhm.
of zero in yeah,
Mhm.
square bracket dot trim.
Is
So
it
trim
clear?
is not necessary, sir. Maybe because we are splitting from space, right?
Yeah, okay. We will see. Okay.
Yeah.
So any other for Ahmed they can write 2. Yes or no? Is it
Yeah.
clear? And can I write middle? Is it
Yeah.
clear to everyone? Can we write like this?
Yes.
From where we are getting this? This is the one, right? I will just comment this. See, we are able to print. Yes or no?
Yeah.
There is no space, okay? For this because we are trimming based on
On this space.
space. Is that clear to everyone?
Yeah.
How we can trim?
Yeah.
Very good.
Sir, if we want in here automation testing session for selenium bionics, after I mean it is splitting after fur, but it is not displaying fur, no sir. If we want that fur also, then
Then you split based on space and then so
space means we have like in
We will
here we
have
have
each and every word, right?
see, for
each and
example,
every.
you can split based on each and every word, and then you can take example. You want which one from this? You want only Anis, right? Or which one you want?
No, I want to display automation testing session for in next line selenium by Anis.
True. Then net think split on. I will check this and let you know. Huh? There is one way. I forgot that. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I will just check this and tell you. Okay. Even
Okay.
after class, I can try multiple and then I can tell you. Okay. So now even you can split based on a single letter also. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. So now splitting is clear for you, right?
Sir, if that letter is repeated, then it will split the whole line into. Just in case, if we take the T, in automation we have the two T's, right?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
For, for the word and testing, it will be two T's. So it will split the whole into submodules like 4 or
Okay.
5.
See, you can try. Okay.
Okay.
You try because now you understood the concept. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay. So now you can try different ways.
Yeah.
Okay. Now you see first you also try how to split, and you want this statement and this statement, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Now you try different ways. Okay,
Yeah.
clear? If you are not getting, then I will tell. Okay,
Okay.
because see, my intention is to make you people understand the concept. Okay, when you understand the concept, you can try in multiple ways.
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes.
You try. If you're not getting, I will tell.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So today everyone can check how to split and print till here. Okay,
Shall I tell Anis? There is one more method in trim which take two values in index also. From with that we can divide.
we will try now only. Yeah, 1 minute.
Yeah.
Yeah, tell me. Okay? So we'll take this statement. Okay. So here we are.
Yeah.
Split.
Please go back. Like yeah, delete still brackets. Let the function.
Okay, dot.
Yeah, dot split. So second one. So so that
Second
so
one.
that 0 we can give some value, and we can cut till that.
Okay, I can give here for
Is repeating only once. Yeah, we'll try, Anis.
okay. So okay, no, you are telling what I understood. You are telling that whenever there's some two letters, for is here and for is here. Okay.
Yes.
Then you want to cut for this location you are telling. But what
No, that 0 indicates the index. Like A starts with 0 in the automation testing session for Selenium. So A starts with 0.
Okay.
You with 1. So I'm
Okay.
thinking that way and telling that.
Okay. No, you can try this. Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. See, now you people want to try two things. What are the two things? Is the first one is to print till here, including for, and then second one to here. Okay, this is clear, right?
Yeah.
The next one is whenever you're having double things. For example, you are having testing here and you are having testing here. When you split based on testing, what happens? Because there are two words, right? Testing. Yes or no?
Yeah.
If I split based on testing, will it take this one or this one? You can try and check. Okay, you try these two. If you don't get, I will tell you. Okay, is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, we will continue further. Okay, so because in splits, okay, so I will tell one more concept in splits. Okay, we can also try to, okay, now we can write a sprint to something like string value in reverse. Okay, so now I will have a string value. We will try to print it in a reverse. Okay, so I will write a string. This is my string. Okay, I want to print this in reverse. Who can help? I want to print this in a
By using it, sir.
Reverse. What is meant by reverse?
Reverse means display session testing automation.
Yeah, I want to print that in a reverse order. Okay.
Okay.
Then see, reverse means from here it should print.
Okay. String.
Okay.
String array. String in square braces. Space.
Okay.
Split value.
Split value.
Yeah.
Okay.
We have to split it and
Okay.
equals to the variable name
Okay, then
text dot split space
text dot.
split in
Uh-huh.
braces double quotes space
Okay, so now you're splitting this value. Okay.
and printing it in a reverse order.
No, I want to print first as NOISS.
Oh, okay.
You are getting my point. I want to print this in reverse, not the words but the letters. Okay. So this session should be printed as NOISSES, like that. Getting my point?
Yeah.
Okay. Now can somebody tell how to do that? Can anybody tell?
We'll find out the length of the string.
Okay. Then
We use for loop
then
and print. Yeah. For
example. Okay. So now what you are telling, you will try to find the length of the string. Okay.
yes.
So when you find the length of the string, you may get something. I will tell system.out.println how to find the length of the string.
Word dot length.
Word dot length. Yes or no?
Yes,
Everyone.
yes.
Yeah.
Word dot length. Okay. So now when I run this, I am getting 26. Okay. So I know the length of the word is 26. Then what I have to do?
For
Huh?
For
Why for?
I have to print from reverse.
Okay.
So
Okay,
for int I equals to
int I is equal to
word dot length.
Word dot length.
I semicolon. I greater than word dot length. Semicolon. I minus.
Okay, fine. So you explain each and every order why you have written like this?
So I have to print it reverse order. So I have to find out the length. So
okay.
So we got the length as 26. So I have to print in reverse order.
Okay,
26,
so first I value
26.
is 26.
I have assigned I equals to 26 for the first time.
Very good. Next.
So 26 is greater than 26.
Is that greater than 26?
So
Is it greater?
26
Greater than equal to?
Is
26
that,
is greater than 26.
true or false?
False.
Then what happens when it is false?
excellent.
What happens in the for loop when it is false?
When it is false, it doesn't execute that square brackets.
But it has to print me n, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Then
I is less than word length. So
then
26
less than word length.
Less than
Okay.
26
So
is
I
less
is
than
26.
26.
26 less than 26. Is that true?
No.
Then somebody can try.
Than or equal to?
Equals to.
Okay. Equals to.
True.
Then so less than equal to.
So equals to
It
true.
will. Okay.
True.
Okay.
We'll
Then
execute
go inside.
this lines.
Then go inside. Then what you will execute?
Sir, I equals to 0.
Word dot
Length I plus plus.
What dot?
word of I.
Okay, so what is I first here? I is equal to 26. Okay,
26.
okay, very good. And then
26 is less than or equals to 26.
so
So I
26
am
less than equal to
executing
26
word.
true. Then it is satisfying. It will come
Yes.
inside, and then you're trying.
Trying to write the word of I, but still I'm getting an error here.
See, the word of I, you have not done anything, right? Then how will tell word of I? Yes or no?
Yes.
Word of I, nothing is there, na? How will you do word of I? So now what we want each character. Yes or no?
Yes.
We want each character or no?
Each character.
Then okay. See here, first time you want to print this. What is this value?
Yeah.
20?
26.
26. Okay. And then it has to print what value? Which position value?
25.
Then 24, then 23, then 20. Yes or no?
Yes.
For example, here it is 15. Here it is 10. When it come here, it is
0.
so every
Zero.
loop, it has to go backside until 0 you have to print. Yes or no?
Yes.
So can we write word I is equal to word dot length? Very good. Okay. And then we can write what we can write? Can we write I greater than equal to 0?
Yeah.
Can we write or not?
Yeah.
Yes.
See, here it is first 26. Very good.
Yes.
26 greater than equal to 0. Yes.
Yes.
Then it will satisfy and go here. Then we are doing I minus minus. Why? Because from 26 I want to minus 1 so that I becomes 25. Then it will come again here. 25 greater than equal to 0. True. Again it will go and print 25 value. Yes or no?
Yes.
So here when we are printing, we can't print this word
Yes.
with the 25.
Yes.
We can't print. Okay. For that,
Yes.
what we want word is the variable from which you want specific character of 25. Yes or no?
Yes.
For that, we are having something called caret. Fine. Is it clear?
Yes.
Text dot. Okay. Here you don't accept square brackets. We have to give. Okay. Fine.
Yes.
Yeah. So now, if I print this, so I will just debug this. Okay. You don't know debug concept. I will just debug. I'm not going to explain you what is about debug everything. I will just show you. I will take a session at the end about the debug. Okay. So now if I go on debug, I will go on one by one. I will just run. See what it is telling. What it is telling.
String index.
Out of range.
Why? We used correct range only, right? Then why it is telling error? Any idea?
Here we can take word length dot length -1 because index will start from 0 to so it will
Yes or
take
no?
25.
From where index will start?
0.
0.
Index will start always 0, right? So
Yes.
when it is telling 26, okay, when it is coming here, there is nothing in 26. Okay.
Yes.
So we have to use -1 because when it is saving in index, it will save
Till 25.
from 0. Okay. Length, it is giving length, total length 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, till 26. But when it is saving an array, this A will not go and save in 1. It will go and save in
0.
0 from 0. So when it coming to n, it will be saving in 25th array, not 26th. Okay. Is that clear to everyone?
Yeah.
Now if I go on debug, see, and is that clear?
Okay.
Yes or no? Now I'm telling, hey, I was thinking everything will be printing in one line, but it is printing in multiple lines. This is not what I was expecting. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So what I was expecting everything to print in the one line, but in reverse. Okay. So here if you see, but you are clear, like it is printing one letter. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. But what we are expecting that it has to print in the same line. So here if you see this statement, we are having system dot output dot print ln. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah.
ln means line.
Next.
What is that?
Line.
Line.
So we are telling print in next line. Okay. If I remove this ln, so when it is ln, then what happens? It will print the first one and it makes the focus to the next line. Again, it will print the next word and then it makes the focus to next line. Okay. Means it is breaking that line. Okay. For example, here if I run first letter, it is going to print me n. Okay. After printing n, automatically it is changing its focus to next line. So when it go and execute the second line, it is going to print in the next line. Yes or no? So ln means line. Okay. So if I remove this, so I'm not telling ln, I'm telling system.out.print only. Okay. Means I'm not telling it to go to next line. Yes or no? It is printing the same line or not?
Yes, sir.
Why it is printing in the same line? Why it is printing in the same line? Why?
Move the next line.
Because you have removed ln.
True. When there is ln, then it will execute. It will execute whatever you have mentioned here, and then it will make automatic the focus to the next line. So whenever it is printing other thing, then it will print in the next line. Okay. When we remove ln, then it is understanding that okay, they want to print in same line. Is that clear? In this way, we can print in. Yes or no? So based on our requirement, we have to think what the logic will be. This logic, okay? Based on our requirement. See here you are doing minus minus. Why? Because you want to go reverse. When we want to go front, we have to give plus plus. Yes or no? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Very good. Fine. Shall we go with other topic?
Sir, actually, you are telling that you want output like first the word is session, again the testing, again the last word is
No, I want
automation.
in
Is it
reverse, right?
complete reverse or
I want to print in reverse.
if suppose, sir, we want the first first word is session and reverse word, sir. If you want at the time,
At
we
that
will
time, you
use the
can
word
split.
of zero,
You can split.
word of one.
You can split based on space, and then you can print based on here, right?
Okay, sir.
See, even here,
Hmm.
I'm having Sheikh Anis Ahmad. You want first as Anis. It is in middle. Then you are printing according to the array. First you are printing one array, then zero array, then
Yeah.
two array. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Here also you can split using space, and then you can print second array, then first array, then zero array. It will print.
Yes.
But what is my intention? Reverse means this is in reverse. Okay.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Any doubts till now? If there is no doubts, we will continue with other topic. No doubts?
Sir, is it necessary to print the length of the line? Without that also we can do, right? In the river for
Okay.
loop.
Now, if you don't know length,
No,
okay.
I'm not saying that in the loop, sir. Above that, we print the system.out.println.
Yeah, for your reference, I just print. No problem. We can print, no problem. Okay, we can run. So I was just printing that to know to tell you how the
Okay.
length. Okay, yeah, it's not required. Okay, because that is not our requirement, right? Yeah. So based on our requirement, we will be writing the loop. Okay, so this is for loop. What is this? Now everyone have idea how to use for loop. So based on our requirement, we'll be using our for loop. Okay. Is that clear to everyone?
Sir, I have one more doubt.
Mhm.
Why you are initializing word dot length -1?
See here, this is the length, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So what is the length it's returning?
It's 26.
26. Very good. So now you are taking this 26. For example, you are having a rack. Okay, where you will be you are having 26 books. Okay. How many books you are having?
26 books.
Okay. Okay. I have given you a big shelf. I gave you a big shelf. I'm asking you to place this one book in one shelf. Okay. Is that clear? Rajni, we don't hear you.
Yes, sir, I am here. Yes.
Okay.
I'm able to hear you, sir, now.
Okay, fine. So now when we want to save in array, means in each rack, so first we'll place in 0th rack. Okay. So when we place in 0th rack, then so A will be placed in 0th rack, U will be placed in first rack, T in second, O in third. In the same way, when you come to N will be placed in 25th or 26th?
25th.
25th,
Yes.
because we started placing in array from 0. Okay, because for example, if you take a if you take a shelf, even above the shelf also we can place, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
So you think that an array, it will save from 0. So there is no 26. 26 is empty. Yes or no? There is no. So we should use -1. Okay.
Okay.
Is that clear? Is that clear to everyone?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So now I will tell one more example. This is for loop. So now you all are familiar with for loop, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. So now assume I'm having this text. Now I'm going to explain you enhanced for loop. What is this?
Enhanced.
See, now we have gone through a for loop, which is normal for loop. Okay, now we are going to look into which for loop?
Enhanced.
Enhanced for loop. Okay, first of all, for this example, okay, Farhana, you tell me a for loop to print all these 3 letters. Okay.
Okay.
In a normal, like without for loop. Okay. Without for loop, sorry, without enhanced for loop, you tell I want to print these letters individually. How will you write a for loop? I want to split this and then print this one word, this one word, this one word separately. Then how?
You'll be giving a space while printing
Tell me.
each name. SYSO.
You want to split, right? First.
Yeah.
See, I'm having this whole string. Okay.
Yes,
I want
yes.
to split this into 3 words.
Like
Son.
what you have done the same like Sheikh Anis Ahmad.
Yes, right. See, this is a
Yeah.
whole one statement. I want to split this statement into 3 parts.
So I can also take this automation as first word, second word as testing.
See,
So and then
okay.
print.
Yeah. Okay, tell me how to do.
First word.
First word.
String.
Okay.
Space. Like array.
Okay.
First word is equal to automation.
Okay. Without first word.
Array also.
If you don't want,
Sorry?
I don't want first word, then Okay,
First
for
name,
example, first word. Okay, fine. First word is equal to tell
automation in the double quotes.
automation. Huh? How come it happen? See here what you are trying to do. See, you are assigning the value, but I don't want to assign your value, but I want it to split and then it assign automatically.
Okay.
See, here you are giving values. You are telling this value should be this. Okay. Okay. When you give automation, for example, okay, no problem. Okay, you are giving like this. Okay. But it is giving error. See, change type of word to string, first word. Because you are telling array.
Yes.
If you are giving array, then we have to give flower brackets.
Comma. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Okay. But this is not what I am expecting, right? See, this is you are saving manually. Yes or no? These are the values which you are saving manually. But what I want to separate these 3 letters from this statement and then print 3 letters.
Okay.
How to separate these 3 letters? How will you separate?
You can use normal for loop for.
Okay, before that you have to separate, right? You are not separating. There is a statement. You have to separate this statement, right?
Yes, like string array.
Okay.
Space split value.
Okay, see, split value is a variable name. You can give any value.
Yeah,
okay.
Variable is equal to whatever the text word word dot split space in column. Yeah.
Okay, so now what you are doing, you are taking this variable and asking split this based on space.
Yeah.
Wherever there is space, it will split. Okay, after splitting, what it will do? So now it is splitting. After splitting, what it will do?
Now you have to take a for loop for.
So now after splitting, it is going to save that in this array. Yes or no?
Yes.
So how many values are saved in this array? How many
3.
values are saved in this array? 3. So what are the positions? What are the index?
0, 1, 2.
0, 1, 2.
I
Very
is
good.
equal.
Very good. So now if I want to print all the 3, then you are telling I have to take for loop. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, tell me for loop how to take.
For. I can take I int I is equal to 0.
I is equal to 0. Okay.
Semicolon. I is less than or equal to 3. Semicolon. I plus plus.
Okay, so here you told I is equal to 0. Very good. Then I less than equal to 3 because you know 3, so you gave 3. Okay, very good. And then I plus plus. Okay. Then what you have to do?
Print SYSO. Words of I.
Word.
Yeah.
So this word is having whole string. Yes or no?
Yes.
So where is this arrays are saving? Even this word has everything. Yes or no?
Yes.
But here
Split
you are splitting
value.
this word, so you have to give split value.
Split
Yes or no?
value. Yes.
Clear? Yeah.
Yeah.
So now here instead of 3, you can give. I don't want 3. I don't want hard code values. Okay. Because today it has 3. Tomorrow it can increase. Like this. Then again you have to come here and change, right? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Then without 3, what you can do?
Split value
Split value dot length.
Exactly. Okay.
Okay.
Is that clear?
Yes.
So if I run now, So we will remove this equals. Okay.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay. Because
Yes.
We are starting from 0.
we are starting from 0, right? So when it is saving, the length is, for example, the length is how much? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The length is 5. Okay.
Yes.
But when it is counting, we'll count from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only. Okay. But when we are saving, we are utilizing the top array also. So
Zero.
we'll save from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll save till 4th array only. Okay. So we have to, when it is become I becomes 5, 5 less than equals 5. Okay. Yes, it is matching. So it will go and try to print, but there is nothing in 5 because we have saved only till 4 array. Yes or no?
Yes.
We will remove this. Now, is that clear to everyone,
Yes.
right?
Yes. Sir.
Yeah. Fine. Very good. Super. So now here, this is normal for loop. Okay. This is normal for loop. Now, the same scenario we will write in enhanced for loop. Okay. Okay. Now we are going to look how to write in enhanced for loop. Okay. Clear.
Yeah.
Same thing we can write in enhanced for loop. How to write in enhanced for loop. So what is enhanced for loop means? Same thing. It's the same for loop, but we will write in a simple way. Okay. So we are these two statements I will take. Okay. We know how to write these two statements. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay. We know how to write these two statements. Okay. Now, if you see, this is the value where all these 5 words are saved. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Split value has how many values now?
5.
5 values. So if I want to print each value individually, what I will write? I will write a for loop. Yes or no? And then I will write all the logic. This is the logic which we wrote earlier. This is normal. But now we are telling enhanced for loop means we'll be having something like this. So this is the value where everything is there. Yes or no?
Mm.
And then we will just give something. For example, y. So when I give like this y will take each value from this per round automatically. Okay. And this is a string. We have to write like this. Okay. This is enhanced for loop. What is this?
Enhanced for loop.
This is equals to this. So here, this is actual array where all the values are available. Yes or no?
Yes.
When we write like this, y will understand that first time when I am running it, I have to take 0 value. Second time I have to take first value, third value, fourth value, till there is no value available. Okay. No answer. Is that clear or not?
Yes,
So
sir.
what is y there? Sir?
Sorry, you can give anything here. Something I'm giving value.
Okay. That's a variable name.
Yeah, that's the variable name. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So here now what happened? There are in array, in split value array, there are 5 words. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So it has saved from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
Now, when I run this, when I write like this, first time when it is running, value is intelligent. It will take that because I'm running first time. I have to take which value?
0.
It will
0.
go to index 0 and take, and it is running for the second time. Already it took value from first. Then what it will take?
1.
1. See, now assume you are having a book rack. Okay. You have placed a book in every shelf. Okay. Now you told your kid from the top to bottom, you bring one book at a time. Okay. So now first he will bring on the top, second, first, third, fourth, till when he will bring? Till when it is available. Yes or no? When it is finished, there are no books, then he will tell no books. Yes or no? You understood or not?
Yeah.
So first time when I am running, the value will go to the split value array. It will take the 0 value and print. Okay. Because it is already taken 0 value. In the next again when it is running, it will go and take which value?
1.
It will print. Then second time
2.
Second.
2.
2, 3. See, when it is taking 0 value, it will check whether there is a value in first 1 or not, so that I have to come again. You're getting my point?
Okay.
Okay. Then when it is taking
It
value in 1,
takes-
it will check whether the value is there in 2 or not, so that he has to come again to take that value. When it is coming here to the last 4th array, it will check by taking the 4th book, he will check whether there is a value in 5th or not, so that he wants to come back or not. There is no value in 5th, so he will think, okay, this is my last book.
Mhm.
You're clear? So this enhanced for loop is intelligent, where it will do all the work automatically. But here what we are doing, we are specifying. So this one statement will do all the 3 actions, whatever we are doing here. So here we are starting from 0. This value also will start from 0, and we are increasing 1 by 1, 1 by 1. Okay, but here this colon, whatever we are giving, will do the job automatically. Okay. So when I write this enhanced for loop, the value will take automatically the values from here, from 0 to till last array. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
See, it is printing automatically same result. So this is called enhanced for loop. How you do enhanced for loop? You will give actually array value here, and then some variable here in between, colon, that's it. Is this easy or not?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now somebody tell me how to write enhanced for loop. For, okay.
String, variable name.
String.
Okay. Why string?
It is a string. What we are
Okay.
going to print.
Double quote.
Okay.
Variable name.
Next variable name.
Farhana
Which
was telling something double quotes. What is the double quotes, Farhana?
No, nothing like string I was telling.
Okay.
It's a string.
String. Then Divya, continue.
Variable name. Any variable
variable
name.
name, anything. X
X. Okay.
equal
Colon.
Column.
split value.
Why split value?
So it's
It's a variable.
it
This is
a
array.
split
This is
value,
the array
it's
which we want to print, which we want to take the values and print. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is that clear?
Yes.
Because this X has to read the values from this. Yes or no?
Yes.
I think this is X already in use by some variable. Duplicate local. I think here somewhere X. Okay, I'll just comment this one also. Okay. So why? So we are telling, hey X, you have to take one value from this array. Yes or no?
Yeah.
And then whenever there is a value, you go and print. What to print? X, whatever you have taken.
X.
Now is that clear? Enhanced for loop.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. First we have to convert into the array. Then only we can do the enhanced loop, right?
First you have to convert into array. Yes, yes, because we have to split, right?
Yeah.
See,
This is only work for arrays, right? Yeah.
Yeah, yes, 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 yes. See, when we have arrays, then only we'll have multiple things, right? Where I have to go into loop and then print everything. If there is only one, there is no array, there is only one variable, then I can give the variable name directly, so that it will print in the same line directly.
Okay.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Clear?
Yes.
This concept is called as
Enhanced for loop.
enhanced, means advanced. Okay. Okay. So see which one is looking beautiful, this one or this one?
Second one.
Second one,
Second
right?
one.
Okay. So you can think whenever someone writing this type, this also work, this will also work. Okay. So
Yeah.
generally, like people who are not experienced, they will write like this. Who are very experienced, familiar, then they will write like this. So it is also looking very simple, right? Yes or no? But this one, by reading 1-2 times, you will understand the logic. If you don't know the concept by reading this, you don't understand, hey, what this is doing. Yes or no?
Okay.
If I, for example, if I don't explain this concept, if I show you this statement, you will not understand what it is doing. You agree or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So whenever you are
So
writing,
for
you
this
will try to
reverse string, for all those things, we are unable to use this enhanced for loop, right?
True, based on our requirement, we have to
Yes.
think whatever to use. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fine. Okay, fine. So we will stop the session today. So what are the topics which we have looked into today?
Split.
Split.
Trim.
Okay.
Trim.
Enhanced for loop.
Okay. See, for example, so I'm having something like system out println, right? In the same way, here instead of out, we can give something called error also. What? We can give error. Okay. So it is a system.error.println. So I will just comment this. We'll see what happens. It is not going inside.
Didn't give anything inside.
Yeah, yes. Sorry, it was my mistake. What is happening?
Error,
Color.
it's showing it in
Red color.
In red color.
See, if I don't put error, if I put output, then what
Blue
it is
color.
printing?
Blue color.
Blue color.
Black
mean,
color. Okay.
Mm.
Okay. Now if I put error, okay, then it is thinking, oh, okay, whatever it's printing, it is an error, and then it is printing in red. The output is same, but the color is different. Okay.
Yes.
So just to differentiate, okay, you can use this one also if you want to show in different color. Okay. You don't ask me. I want to see in pink, green. Okay. Only these two colors. Okay. Fine. Shall we stop the class? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you all practice this. So on Monday we will start with. So now in for loop we have gone through normal for loop and enhanced for loop. There is one more concept called nested for loop. What is that?
Nested.
Nested for loop. And also in if condition, we have to look into multiple conditions. We have not looked into multiple conditions, right? Yeah. So first we look into nested for loop, then we will look into multiple if conditions, and then we'll look into something called switch. Okay.
Okay.
Switch statements. Okay. After that, our basic things will be done. Then we will start at some little advanced concepts. Okay.
Okay.
So everyone are able to follow, right? You are not feeling any difficulty in Java, right? Yeah. See, you have to practice. If you don't practice, it will be difficult for you. Okay. But you are understanding each and every concept, whatever I am telling, right? That is important.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, if you are not understanding, then that is my problem. Okay. I have to make you understand. If you are understanding and if you are not remembering, then that is your problem because you have to practice to remember. Okay. So you have to practice daily. You have to spend time. Okay. Clear? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
then. Bye. Bye. Have a nice weekend, everyone. We will meet back on Monday. Okay. So tomorrow, Saturday and Sunday, no sessions. Okay. Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye.